If you're new to trading and charts looks confusing, messy or overwhelming, this video is for you. In this video, I'll explain TradingView from zero, how to set up your chart, understand time frames, candlesticks, highs and lows, and how to identify uptrends and downtrends. No indicators, no strategies, just the foundation every trader must understand. Obviously, this platform is called TradingView, and the TradingView is the most popular charting platform used by traders all around the world, beginners and professionals. This is not a broker. You don't place trades here. You will just need TradingView to analyze price and understand what the market is doing. To get started, go to tradingview.com, click sign up, and create a free account. I'm already signed up. Obviously, you don't need to buy anything in here. The free version is more than enough to learn. First, go to the charts. For example, go to NQ, type NQ, go to this one, and in here, click on full chart, and your chart's gonna be looking like this. First thing you might need to be doing is like going to the settings. In the settings, you can change the coloring. Most of the traders change it, so you can just change it to whatever you want. Um, the most popular one is having the down candles, which is red one to like black. The first one, which is green, a lot of people, some people keep it on green, some other keeps on orange, yellow. You can put it to whatever you want, obviously, because you're the one that's gonna be like trading. Put it on something you like looking at. For example, me, I think I would keep it on orange, because orange just looks clean a little bit for me. And in here you can change the time zone and other stuff. You can go through them. Alright, so your chart gonna be looking like this. In here, you see the prices in the right side, and in the downside, you see the time. Obviously, here the time is tight because I'm on the 1 minute time frame, and you can zoom with the scroll like this. And if it's not clear, for example, like this, you would need to go to the right side and slide up or down or to the bottom. It depends how you want it to look like. And obviously, I'm gonna go back to settings because I should have explained that before I change the colors, honestly. I'll just change it back real quick. And then I'll change it back again. So as you can see in here, this red candles means price went down, and this green candles means price went up. So I'm gonna, so keep in mind this green candle, I'll change it in my settings to like orange. And you can change it to whatever you want. And this red candles, I'm gonna change it to black. So in my chart, the black candle is the down candle, and the orange is like the up candle. So this one here is called candle, by the way. And now let's talk about the time frame. As you can see in top left, you see the time frame, which is 1 minute. There is 1 minute and all this 2 minute, 3, 5, 10, 15, 30, 1 hour, 4 hour, the daily. They all looks almost the same. Don't worry about this stuff in here. We're gonna look after them later on. It's just me when I was like analyzing the market. So as you can see, the daily and the other time frames, they all fractal, so they looks the same. So for example, when I'm here in the 1 minute, that means every candle represents 1 minute. This candle represents 1 minute. This one represents 1 minute. We go to the daily. Before we go to the daily, you see the time here? That means there's 14 seconds left to this candle to close. Once it closes, it's gonna be looking like this. So it's not closed. You see the candle is still like going up and down. Okay, now the candle is closed. It's not gonna be moving anymore. The next one is gonna be moving. We go back to the daily. As you can see in here, every candle represents 1 day. And for this candle, which is the last one, there's like 5 hours left for the candle to like close. Now let's break down a single candlestick. As you can see in here, the green one is called bullish candlestick because it's going up, and the red one is called bearish candlestick because it's going down. Keep in mind, if the chart is going up, we say the chart is bullish. If the chart is going down, we say the chart is bearish. Anyway, now we go back to this candlesticks. The green one opens in here, where you can see it's called open. Opens in here and go down, create a low, and then goes up all the way to here, which is the high, and then goes down and close in here. So it create this stuff. We call them wicks. This is the wick here, and this is the wick here. And it's the same thing going in the red candle. The red candle open in here, go all the way up here, create the high, and then go down all the way to the low. Once it goes to the low, it goes a little bit up, and it's closing there. So like that, we create the low and the wick. And here's the wick, the high wick. And the more you be looking at the chart, the more you'll understand it more and more. I would say go to the 1 minute, for example. Uh, Zoom in, and you can look at the chart in here and look at the 1 minute, and you can see how is the candle is creating itself. It's going up and down as you can see, and created the high, which is this one, the low, which is this one, the week and the week. Now I want to be talking about highs and lows in the market. I'm in the 1 minute. Obviously, there's highs and lows in every time frame, as you can see. I'll start with the 1 minute. In the 1 minute, as you can see, here's the high in here. That's high, and that's low. Wait, and that's low. I can mark that. Wait, and that's low. We went up again. We made another high in here, and we made another low in here. It went up and then went low. This is the low again, and this is the high. So it's you will find a lot of highs and a lot of lows in the chart. You can't identify all of them. You're just gonna identify the most important one. Short answer is basically a high is a point where price stops going up and start going down, and the low is the a point where price stop going down and start going up. That's the short answer for this one. So basically, you need this for trends, for example. Now, let's be talking about uptrend and downtrend. So remember the highs and lows we were talking about? We need them for uptrends and downtrends identify. So in uptrend, we see there's a high high, a higher high, and higher low. Higher high, higher low. And this keeps going up. This is called uptrend. And then the opposite side, we see there's a downtrend. Downtrend it means a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and it keeps going down. This is up downtrend. And I'm gonna show you with candles how it looks like. In here, as you can see in the chart, it's gonna be looking something like this. For example, uptrend in here, there's a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and then you're gonna look something that's called sideways. We call it consolidation. I'm gonna talk about it later on. And there's the downtrend. And downtrend, you're gonna find the lower high and lower low, and it's going down. And if this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. In the next video, I'm gonna explain more things like liquidity, fair value gap, and a lot of other things. So thanks for watching. I appreciate your watching.